Hi, this is Emily the Songbird, and today we're gonna do Cyndi Lauper's song, True Colors, one of my all-time favorite songs. We're gonna do the chords first and then the riff afterwards. So, it starts on an A minor, U with the sad, goes to a G with a B in the bass, which is basically that middle finger on the A string on the 2nd fret, and the pinky is gonna be on the 3rd fret on the high E string. So, U with the sad, C, don't be discouraged. So now we have the E in the bass, and we have our C, and then the pinky's on that 3rd fret. Don't be discouraged, oh, I realize. That's F add 9, so basically like an F major 7 chord. The pointer finger's on the B string without the bar. Realize, and then it goes to the F chord, so realize, A minor. It's hard to take to G, C in a world, D minor full of people you can lose sight of, to the F, it all, A minor. In the darkness, G inside you makes you make a D minor, but add that C in the bass, feel so small. Do you see how those suspendeds, it's like the suspended goes and then it resolves on the major chord. That happens with that, you know, F add 9 resolves to the F, the C with the E in the bass. We have that, it doesn't actually resolve, but the D minor, we do that D minor with the C in the bass to, you know, to the C. So you can hear some of those suspended sounds, right? It suspends and then it resolves. So the chorus, but I'll see your F chord, true colors. And when you go to that C chord, just leave that pointer finger on the C, because now you're gonna have that suspended again, shining through. There's another example of that, shining through, right? Suspend to the G. I'm putting that pointer finger on the C, which is the G sus4, shining through, I'll see your F, true, C with the E in the bass, colors, F, that's why I love you, same thing, that G suspended 4 to the G, but don't be afraid, in the D minor with the F in the bass, to let them, so now we're going to put that F under that ring finger, let them show, A minor, your, and then that F with the C in the bass is an F chord with that, you know, that C on the A string. Your true colors. Again, that's that kind of, that suspended, right? There's the 4th of the C. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow, and then it goes into the riff. This might be a good place to go over that. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put the pinky on the high E string on that 3rd fret. We've used that a lot in the song. And then we're going to walk up the B string to the C note. And we're going to repeat that first chord that we did, so on the A string. And then we put the middle finger on the A string on the 2nd fret. And then we do the same thing with that pointer finger, 0. So we're repeating that pattern. You see how that happens? And then the 3rd, then we move that ring finger. So, you know, that one is moving up that A string. So now we're on 3 on the A and 3 on the high E string. And then this chord, which is an F chord, that 1st finger is on the low E string in the 1st fret, and then the middle finger is on the G string, which is an A note. So you have an F and an A there. And then B to C again on that B string, and then we go to the A note, the G, and then we do it again. And then 3, and the F. And then for the verse 2, show me a smile, C, don't be unhappy, F add 9, remember when F, I last saw you laughing, C. If this world, D minor, makes you crazy. Do you see how it's moving up? If this world makes you crazy, C to D. If this world makes you crazy, you take it all you can bear. A minor, you call me up. F with the C in the bass. You know I'll be there. Do you see that? Again, that's suspended and then it resolves on the C. And I'll see your F, true C, shining through to the G. And G suspended to the G. I'll see your true colors. C with the E in the bass. That's why G with the G suspended to the G again. So don't be afraid to C, and then that D minor with the F in the bass on the D string on the 3rd fret. To let them show, F with the C in the bass, your true colors. F with the C in the bass again, true colors. And then that G suspended, beautiful like a rainbow. And then we go into the riff again. And that F, same. And then that verse 3 does some oohs. I don't remember that part that well, but and then the F can't remember when A minor. I last saw you laugh and whisper. If this world D minor makes you crazy and you're taking all you can bear to the F, you call me up. You F with the C in the bass. No, I'll be there. See your true colors. G suspended 4, shining through. F, I see your true C with the E in the bass. Colors. That's why G suspended 4. I love you. F. So don't be afraid. D minor with the F in the bass. To let them show. F with the C in the bass. Your true colors. True colors, true colors are shining through G. See your true colors, F. That's why I love you. Again, that's suspended. Love you, F. So don't be afraid. Now it goes to an E7 to let them A minor show. F with the C in the bass. Your true colors, true colors. G suspended 4. Beautiful like a rainbow. All right, so have fun with true colors and let me know what your true colors are. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave me a comment. And I hope you have a magical and musical day.